Welcome to Aamirztwocents. In this video, I'm going to show you what type of egg nest we use where our chicken can lay eggs. So this is one of the egg nest we use. I got this one from a chicken shed that a guy was using for the layer chicken, and I got that so you guys can see the. This is a slide in part of it, so if the chicken will lay eggs they will slide in. And what I did, I left one here so they can go in and lay eggs right there, so I can collect from the front or I can collect from the middle. This is one thing. So what I did, as this was a little hard, like in this was coming in the way of the chickens and the building. So what I did, I cut into two parts of it. So I cut right from here and right from here and then down there, and then we put like this. So we just connected to the or mounted to the wall of our shed, and you guys can see right there. And we put some supports so the chicken can roost there, or they can climb, and you can see a couple of chickens right there, and one of them is laying egg right now. So let's give some privacy. And she just laid egg, so right there. Wow, that's beautiful. So right there, and egg. So thanks for yummy eggs. And I'm gonna show you another egg nest I created. So this is like I believe it's like a 1 feet length and wide. So this is pretty wide. I mean, for chicken can go easily in that. I got these one like $40 as the whole thing, and then cut into two. So each one has six spots. So total 12 spots, and I got in only like $40. I had to drive to a older farm, and then that's where I brought it and then installed it. So I'm gonna show you. This one was built by me. So if you guys see that, this was a totally built by the wood. Wasn't that hard. It was not that costly. I used 2x4s, and then on top of that I used some metal that was laying here on the farm. And I made the total like space for them like 1 feet apart, and there's plenty of space. They lay a lot of eggs here as well. So I'm going to show you another one that is standing on the legs, and there has two parts of it. So I'm going to show you how I use that one. So let's go to that. This is the second egg nest I build. I can show you right here. So you can see that I build kind of just a straight with the 2x4s there, and just use some metal or whatever it was laying right there in the farm. So you can see that this has 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 spaces for each chicken on the bottom, and then it has 8 spaces on top of it. Easy to build, and you can see these chickens are laying eggs right there. So this was it cost me around like I will say like $50 or something like that, even less, because I used 2x4, and then we had some on top. I really didn't get anything. I had this sheet sitting there in the farm, so I used it. And you guys can see that what I use here. So plywood, to separate them was easy. This is a pretty clean nest box. I don't see we put just the hay there for them. These chickens are sitting on the eggs. So beautiful eggs right there. So you can see right there. Okay, great, a lot of eggs here. And these are the eggs that we just collected. So we have a lot of eggs here, and as I told you, like we have a couple of hundred chicken, and there are some of them, two of them sitting in one nest box. So we have seen that as well. So yeah, I hope you like our idea for using building something like this. Made the roosting area so you can see that they can jump there, roost kind of thing, and go in, feel them comfortable. And or you use the ones I showed you, the metal ones you get from some neighbors or somewhere, old ones, and cut into two and just mount. Or you can also make the stand like this and put them on the stand. So thanks very much for watching, and I will see you guys in next video.